NFT IQ here, coming at you with a brand new NFT, a brand new NFT analytics platform, and the chance to get in extremely early, ground zero on a project that I think has tons of potential real world value, not just some crappy artwork, not just some empty promises about paying you money in the future and blah blah blah. This is an actual software team that is going to be launching a product in the NFT space, and you can get in early as an investor by getting one of their NFTs and getting whitelisted. So currently on their Discord, I want to show you right away. On their Discord, there are only currently 650 members and 30 people whitelisted, including myself. So you know that you can get in early on this project, and I wanted to point that out at the very first thing. Here's the reason why I believe in this project, okay? Let's start with first and foremost, what is it? This is called NFT Analytics. NFT Analytics is exactly what you think it is. It's basically like a competitor to some of the other products out there for tracking the statistics and data on NFTs so that you can make good decisions about what you're buying and selling and when you're going to do it. And the reason I have a lot of faith in this project is number one, they have screenshots from their prototype already. So even though they just barely launched their Discord, they launched at a time where they already have some proof of concept for what they're trying to do. So this is not an interactive dashboard. This is just a JPEG, but you can see this platform looks awesome. I think that it's a very clean and user friendly. And if you use a dark mode on your browser, or maybe they're going to have a dark mode toggle, it will, kind of flip between light and dark really nicely because the contrast is like very clear. You can tell that you can select the time ranges of the data you're looking at, which is not something you can do on like Nansen, for example, which I'll do a comparison here in a minute. And you can sort by volume, sort by the floor price. You can sort by how many are listed or the holders. And you can see the mint price right here. Like, wow, everything that I want to know about this NFT like is on this page. And this is just one dashboard that they're showing off. They have a couple more detail pages with some of the listings of the NFTs. And to me, this just looks totally awesome. So second reason I have faith in this project, and I decided to get in as early as possible and pushing this, being probably the first YouTuber to push this project, is that they have a real development team. This isn't just some random social media people trying to make a quick buck, or some random artist and their friend who's like, yeah, I'm just going to make some NFTs and upload them to OpenSea and try and be popular and make some money. No. This is a legitimate software team where they have a full stack developer with 15 years of experience specializing in database engineering, which is probably one of the trickiest parts of this whole system. They have an operation and design, a person who specializes in data analytics and visual communication. So obviously this person has been working on these awesome dashboards. They're doing a great job. They have a 3D designer, probably for making their NFTs cool when they launch those. And then they have this guy, Igor, who's a software engineer specializing in blockchain engineering. So this just brings a lot of credibility to the project. And then on top of that, they have someone full-time dedicated to marketing and someone full-time dedicated to community management. So you're going to get live interaction on Discord and Twitter and wherever else, because they have people that are actually doing this as their job to manage their community. And I can speak personally that I've already met these people on Discord. They just chatted with me in the main chat whenever I ask questions. They have answers right away. And I've just had really positive interactions with these people so far. So that's the number two reason why I think that this project is staged to be successful. Number three reason is because the alternatives out there are not that great. So I haven't messed with a lot of the free tools. I was messing with some this morning, but really it seems like all of the information is kind of scattered around. Sometimes you're scrolling through OpenSea, looking at individual transactions, or looking at like a 7-day chart on average price and so on. Or maybe if you're lucky, you buy a Nansen subscription or a free trial, and you get this pretty decent dashboard, right, where you can see all of the individual transactions and you can see the price trends. You might be able to see total transaction volume and a lot of cool activity. Don't get me wrong, Nansen, I would never talk anyone out of getting a Nansen subscription. I think that this is a great tool, especially before this next one launches. But here's a problem. My Nansen trial expires today. And that's a big problem because check out their pricing, okay? A Nansen subscription, $150 per month for the basics, just to get access to their token God mode and NFT dashboards. $150 a month. So that's not cheap. I mean, if you're an NFT investor, you're serious, it's worth it. But that is something where they can be undercutted or they can be beaten on features. I mean, potentially they could either beat them in price or they can beat them with a better product or both. I mean, this is just crazy. To get on their Discord for Nansen, you're looking at $3,000 per month to be part of their private little community. And guess what? You can hop on the NFT Analytics Discord right now absolutely for free. So I'm not going to be renewing my Nansen subscription now. I was looking at the Halloween special for $1,200 for a year-long license on Nansen, and I'm just not going to do it. I'm just not going to do it now because I'm gonna wait for this product to become available. And so, final thing I want to say here is go over some of the mechanics of how you get involved in this project. So there are going to be license keys available as NFT tokens. So they're going to launch an NFT, and if you own one of the NFTs, then you get one of the license keys. So you can have your own account and you don't pay a monthly subscription from what I can tell here. Then from there, they're doing a pre-sale for people who are whitelisted and also for people who own these cryptos. So they have some collaborations. If you own one of these NFTs, a Hewer tag, a Cool Cat, or a BAYC, then you're already in on the pre-sale. You don't need to get whitelisted. If you don't own one of those, easiest thing to do, go buy one of these Hewer tags, okay? I was checking this out. Hewer tags, I'm not saying this is a good investment, but look, the floor price on these is 0.14 Ethereum, which is today, that's less than 60 US dollars. So you can buy a subscription to this platform for $60 today just by purchasing one of these NFTs. The other way you can do this is if you really don't want to spend the money on one of those NFTs, then you can actually just hop on their Discord, and the whitelist system is still on wave 1. So there's 200 spots available, currently 30, of which I am one, and all you have to do is reach level 3 in their chat and invite 3 people, and that's it. And as this community grows, it's going to get a little bit tougher to get in, but there's still time for you to get in with just those 3 invites or 5 invites or 10 invites or whatever. And then you're going to be whitelisted, and then you're going to be able to mint 3 of these things. So that's 3 license keys that you'll be able to own that are going to have value just like any other NFT. So I'm super excited about this. And from there, they are going to be having, once the pre-sale is done, they are going to have a public sale of somewhere between 5,000 and 7,000 NFTs, so that's awesome. They will be 0.7 ETH, just like the pre-sale. And then they're going to have another round of sales for Hewer tag owners for 0.5 ETH. So maybe I'm going to buy some Hewer tags just so I can get in on this post-sale as well. Honestly, because owning 3 that I have access to through this whitelist, it might not be enough for me. I think I'm going to want more of these. So last thing I want to mention is that you can check out their website. You can join the Discord and you can check out their website. I'll put links in the description. You don't need to click my Discord link because I already have whitelist, but if you want to, you can. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to give you good information. So be sure to check out their website, check out their roadmap. Eventually they're going to have a paid platform, like a free version and a paid version with USD or Ethereum or whatever. So this company is going to have money flowing through it. It's not just this NFT. They're going to be a legitimate software team moving forward. So that is it for NFT Analytics. I hope everyone's excited as I am. And I only said this once the whole video right now. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. And as you can see, there's some time sensitive updates like this launch. where if you hit that bell button, then you're more likely to get in early on some of these projects. So with that, everybody have an awesome day, and may you make mad gains on your NFTs today.